Hello everyone, welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 was down today. We had 5 days in a row where it went up. We broke out of the range yesterday, and so finally today it gave some back. It was down 1.1% almost for the day. And one of the things that was interesting is it fell right at the end, and it fell right down to the top of the range that we just broke out of. That's what happened last time actually. We broke out and we kind of kept challenging the top. It did hold, but it ended up right at the top. So we'll have to see what happens tomorrow to see what that really means. A lot of you are probably getting Riskalyze check-in emails, and it's a really nice little service that we provide. Riskalyze does an analysis on the risk of your portfolio. And so you answer 2 questions, how do you feel about the market? How do you feel about your financial situation? And then it brings you to a site that has a lot of information about how your portfolio would do in different down markets. So it's worth looking at. Although the market was down today, we did incredibly well, especially with the things that we added to yesterday with our change. So the genomics and immunotherapy targeted index was actually up 1.9% today, even though the S&P 500 was down 1.1. We added to long-term treasuries. That was up 1.8, 1.4. Intermediate-term treasuries were up 0.2%. All of those that we either purchased or added to yesterday. So I'm really, really happy with what happened. Every single thing that we have beat the S&P 500 except for 2 things. Microsoft and the semiconductor targeted index were down 1.2%. Instead of the S&P 500 being down 1.1. So very close. Almost knocked it out of the ballpark today. And that's been the theme so far. Essentially, all of these pieces that we chose do really well in down days. They don't all make money, but they lose a lot less, or sometimes they even make money. So that's good. And so that's what's happening today. Tomorrow will be important. See if we can hold this level and maybe reestablish some new movement upward. And I look forward to talking to you about that tomorrow. Thank you.